Thank you for your purchase of the YourBell. We appreciate your business. Today we're going to demonstrate how to wire the YourBell. It has an 8-position terminal block on the back of it. And the definition of each terminal can be seen on the instruction manual. But basically, the first 2 terminals represent input 1, or the front doorbell. The second 2 terminals represent input 2, which would be the rear or the side doorbell. These 2 pins are also associated with button number 2. So the first 2 pins are button number 1, and the second 2 pins are button number 2. Pins 5 and 6 represent the transformer input. Both leads of the transformer must be wired to these 2 pins. The last 2 terminals, 7 and 8, represent the transformer, represent the wiring of the 2 external 8-ohm speakers to YourBell. If you have an outdoor speaker, you might want to connect it to pins 7 and 8. Down here you'll see the card slot. This facilitates, it's an MMC card holder. And here you'll see the volume, which adjusts the output volume of the amplifier. When power is applied and the MMC card is present, there will be a short pause, and then you'll hear Marvin the Martian say, "Where's the kaboom?"
Where's the kaboom?
This means your YourBell is ready to play.